Na naman tayo para ma-witness, no, yung sasara ng isang institution, training, pero na pag-alaman natin na nagre-recruit, nagre-refer, nangangako. These are elements kasi of recruitment, no? Nag-o-offer, nangangako, nagre-refer. At mga ganito ay elemento ng akto ng recruitment, which means pag ginagawa mo yung referral, promising, and offering for employment abroad, that's recruitment, and you need a license. And if you don't have a license, that's illegal recruitment. Yun lang, 1 + 1 = 2. So, yan ang nandito tayo ngayon, and we always want to make sure that we are upholding the legitimate track of recruitment, no? We want to make sure that the legitimate licensed recruitment agencies, yung sanctity, yung pribilehiyo nilang mag-recruit para protektado ang OFWs is amply protected. And in this manner, we're looking out for the illegal recruiters. At gusto natin isumpuin, ano? Gusto natin makitil, gusto natin pigilin ang illegal recruitment. Kasi gusto natin na mga kababayan natin protektado at ituro sila sa legal na pamamaraan.